In this video, you are going to learn how to set up a Facebook page. It's going to take less than 5 minutes. It's absolutely free to do, and it's very straightforward. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and go to facebook.com. And what you do here is really just log in with your normal personal profile. It's actually inside of our personal profile that we create a Facebook page for a business or a brand. If you don't have a Facebook personal profile, well, then you can just go ahead and set one up here and then log in. So just log in normally to Facebook once you've got that set up. Now what we actually do is come up to the top right hand corner here, click on the drop down, and here we're going to see the opportunity to create a page. And now pops up the 6 different options that we have. So when we're creating a page, we want to really select one of these 6 options. You see local business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment, cause or community. Now there actually isn't a huge amount of difference between all of these choices, so you don't need to worry about this too much. But if you are a local business, for example, you'll have the opportunity to put in a local address, a phone number. You can even enable reviews. And so each little page has a couple of different settings, but really it doesn't make a huge difference what option you choose. For a business, I'm going to pick this here, this option for company or organization. Now I can choose my category. So I'm just going to set this as education. I can set in a company name. I can just put in my company name there. For this video, I'm just going to set up a demo account. So click get started. And then I'm brought straight into my Facebook page. Once inside, the next step is then to click on create page username, and typically you're just going to put your business name or the page name as the username. Now one important thing to understand about this is that your username will actually form part of the custom URL that you have on Facebook. So it's going to be facebook.com/ your username rather than your page name. And that's why you want to make it as close to your page name as possible. And you want to keep it pretty short if you can, so that it's easy to say in a conversation to maybe a customer, oh, you can find us on facebook.com/ whatever it is. So to make this clear, let me give you an example. I'm just going to type in my business name. In this example, just set up demo. And as you can see, this may happen for you as well. This username isn't available. Please enter a username that isn't already taken. Now, an easy workaround to this is just to put in official at the end. And that is available then, and I can go ahead and create this username. And there we go. It's really that simple to set up a page for a business or brand on Facebook. And once again, to do it for yourself, log into your Facebook personal profile, come down in the top right hand corner and click create page.